everybody, this is Tywon with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a demonstration video for the Aquela 8.0 product. This is a hydrogen water product. It has passed our performance standards, and we want to go ahead and demonstrate it for you guys and show you how to use it. It's very simple to use, and it produces super saturated hydrogen-rich water, upwards of 8 ppm or above. That is rather rare on the marketplace. So in general, this typically produces anywhere between 3 to 10 times the amount you might see compared to other products on the market of dissolved hydrogen gas. And so this is basically how you want to go ahead and set it up. So first thing to note is that you will receive these bottles. These are PET bottles that are rated for high pressure. So they're high pressure bottles to be able to withstand the pressure that's generated to dissolve that much hydrogen gas. These are the sachets that you will receive. So you would just open this up, and when you receive the product, and inside you will see sachets. These sachets are what produces the hydrogen gas. They have a reactant in there that within these sachets that allow hydrogen gas to be produced, and the only thing that comes out of these sachets is hydrogen gas. And so other than that, let's go ahead and just demonstrate how you set it up. It's super simple. You want to go ahead and open the bottle up, and you can use whatever water you prefer drinking. This is distilled water. You just go ahead and fill it up. Now you will want to fill the bottle all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Oop, wrong one. And then you go ahead and open your sachet, and you go ahead and put this into your bottle like so. Close it up. And then basically you will want to go ahead and wait 24 hours. That's how long it takes to process. You put it on the countertop, and over the course of 24 hours, this bottle will become really hard. After that, you can open it up and drink it. So that's basically the setup for this. There's nothing else really to this product. Is super convenient and super simple to use. They do give you 2 bottles. So you can rotate these, and this can be, like I say, you can get upwards of 5 milligrams of hydrogen ingested in 16 ounces with this particular bottle. So that is plenty for the day if you wanted just to drink that as your hydrogen water for the day. So in the next video, we're going to do a test video to show you the dissolved hydrogen concentration of this particular product. Like I said, it ranges anywhere between 7 to 9 ppm, but they market it at 8 ppm or above. So you can catch us next time at the H2Hubb.